Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're finishing and playing Slap Tower 2. Yeah. So, mm, go. Let's go. Jump. Now go. Which path? Which path? I think this one. Yeah, it's this one. Oh, I almost found. Let's go. This is the troll part, but there's no troller today. My goodness. If I fall or die, this video ends. I'm not. Let's go. We're in the yellow stage. Ladder. No, it's not ladder. Stairs. Good. Oh my goodness. I almost fell. Wait. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my. Yes. Luckily, I didn't fail. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my goodness. I fell but not on the bottom. I'm not at the bottom. Only on the bottom. Only at the bottom. I always fell. I always. My head hurts. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Please, Lord. Well, that's the end of the video. Because I fell. Oh, that's another. If I fell here. I want you to make and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Or I'm gonna finish. No, I'm not gonna. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this and bye. Kadoosh.